Afternoon, I am Tenzin Yanki and I am going to read a poem called Circle of Friends. Why do we call it a circle of friends? The reason is it always bends. The shape won't change with someone new. If there are many or just a few, a circle is strong. It can shrink or grow as you meet new people you'd like to know or lose a friend in a silly fight. There are other there it will be all right. A circle never run out of space. Come and go. There will be a place. A gap can close and open again to be filled by you no matter when. There's always room for another one, another person to share the fun, another person who can share your feelings, with whom will always care. Inside the circle, the space is free to play with one or two or three, scotch and soccer, book and toys, to share with different girls and boys. Other shapes have angle and lines. You really can't change those descent, bend like the circle. Make it wide. You find a world of fine friend inside. Thank you.